Good morning, good evening, good night, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this from, or whenever time you're watching this from. Karibuni sana. I know it's been a long minute tangu niseme welcome back to Style It with Ronnie. So, I am back on YouTube. And the best way to get back on YouTube is by me showcasing what I do for a living. Niligeuka siku hizi mimi ni mpishi. You know, besides being tall, dark and handsome. I'm now a chef. So it's going to be a group of 13 individuals, 13 adults. I'm going to make dinner, chapati, plus fish or beef na greens. So I'm going to take you through me doing pre-prep, alafu kupika, alafu kuserve, and then that's the end of the video. That will be the end of the video. I guess that's the best way ya kuanza my YouTube journey, okay? Niko hapa kwa gate, so without further ado, acha niingie. Tuende wera ama vipi? Pweza here. I have some pweza here. I have some fish. Hii fish ni gani? Hii ni tilapia ama red snapper?
Kama ni zinaitwa sijui guna.
Guna, niko na guna.
Zinaitwa hivyo?
Sijui hata. Nadai pia nikande unga wa chapo. 2 kgs, najua itatosha watu 13 hizo machapati. I'm going to do the chapati dough. So it's very easy. Flour, salt, a little sugar. I don't know if you guys like sugar in your chapatis.
I don't know.
You don't know? So I'm going to put kidogo, just kidogo sugar. These are about 2 tablespoons of salt. So that's a kg per tablespoon. This is 2 kgs. I have some sugar here. I'll put about 2 tablespoons. Nice. Just a little bit more. And then I'll mix it all together. I'm going to use roughly 4 tablespoons. No, 3. So I'm assuming this one is a tablespoon. So I'm using 3 tablespoons. So I'm going to use the rubbing method. I'm waiting for maji ichemke, maji ya chapati. So for my octopus water, it has to be sea salty. So I'm going to season it with plenty of salt. Unaona venye una seasoningi maji ya pasta. Super boiling, so we dip it once and we take it out. Dip it twice. Take it out. The tentacles will start to fold. You see? She's helping me prepare the tomatoes. If we had a blender, it would have been much quicker. But now, we don't. So yeah, it's cooking. Maji ya chapondo hii hapa. So unga iko ready. Immediately inachemka, I'll be kneading the dough and then we'll proceed from there. So I want to fry my octopus together with nyama. I have some red meat here cooking. So I want it to slow cook. Alafu pia here, I want to fry my fish. Niko na hawa samaki wadogo ambao nataka kuwa fry. Alright? So I want to make a sauce for the pweza. I have meat here. Hii meat nataka kuitengeneza Kenyan style. So ambayo ina boil tu na mafuta till it turn brown, alafu niweke onions nini. Sawa. Fish. Hapa we are going to naomba kisu tafadhali. This is small fish. We're just going to season with salt and black pepper. Oh, as you can see, I marinated my fish with salt. I do have black pepper, salt and ginger garlic. Our fish is here deep frying. Beef, we're making it Kenyan style. And then octopus, we're doing the sauce from here. So I'm going to add onto my caramelized onions. I'm going to add curry powder and ginger garlic. I will deglaze this pan with octopus soup. You know, just to make sure the flavors is here. I don't want the garlic to burn. So I'm going to keep stirring, then I add my tomatoes, let it cook, then add my octopus. So my fish is almost done. My sauce is getting together. I've used plenty of the pweza stock. It's going to be pweza, full of pweza flavor. Beef yetu ndio ina dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to add onions and tomatoes and some Maggi cubes and let it just heat up pole pole. Once all that is done is when I'll embark on chapatis. So our octopus is in our sauce. I added a few chilies just to give it that kick. I added onions to my beef. This is my last fish. Mwiko umesema ni moja?
Niko ni moja.
Acha nitumie hiyo mwiko moja basi. Cheza chini. Mzee nauliza yani mmepatanaje pamoja unajua? Hivyo ndo nauliza.
Yanza kushangaa kwani?
Mzee. Dishi. So unacheki our dough is slowly coming through. Our dough is slowly coming through. So this is the time where naweza tumia mkono. I'm going to use my hands.
Yes.
You know, you mentioned mosquitoes. So right now I'm getting beaten.
Yes.
They thought I was you.
No. Where is she? She has no blood.
Yeah.
She's not there. We're getting out of the range.
Yeah, I just asked you what language you're speaking. You said gibberish. What do you mean gibberish? No. The one you were speaking before.
Oh, that's German.
Like with your friend. Okay. Oh, you guys are Germans.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So now I want to work on the chapati dough. Yeah. Everything is done. So now I think this dough is workable.
Can I now touch it?
Yeah.
See how it feels?
This is super soft.
Yeah.
Andabwa. You just touch it.
It's supposed to be.
It's not supposed to be as soft,
Yeah.
but this is, you're never gonna fail with this. You're always gonna get soft chapatis with this dough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's too soft, then the chapatis get too hard.
No. If it's too soft,
Yeah.
you're going to get them super soft eventually, you know. But it's not easy to work with this dough because it gets sticky, messy sometimes, you know. That's just it. I'm sorry? No, I'm not used to tape. I just put plenty of water while kneading the dough. That's it. But yeah, that's not a big deal.
So
which one do you usually use?
So
Which flour do you usually use?
I use Ajab. I use the same we're using. Yeah, I use Ajab.
So we're in the same page.
Yeah, we're on the same page.
Alright. This is andanye, right?
Andanye, not andanye. Bois.
No. I'm saying your name is Andabwa, right?
Yeah.
But there's andanye.
I have never heard of andanye before.
So where have you had andanye?
he's lying.
It's a good question. No, for real. No, I've never had andanye before.
No, I've had something.
Wow. Yeah, that much. Thank you. So just spread it over here like this. Right, and then you know how to make a Swiss roll, a cinnamon roll. Same concept. Just fold this
Like cinnamon?
like a cinnamon roll.
Ah, yeah.
Same concept. Kind of use the same concept.
Do we even have butter for ugali? For ghee?
For ugali?
For the chapatis?
No, I'm using oil. Don't worry. Unless you want ghee, but I'm using oil, regular oil. Yeah.
I'm excited. It smells good.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
So how many chapati can you make out of this dough?
Say probably 30, but let's see. This is quite more. Yeah, I guess 30. So I need. This is a tray, right?
Yes.
I need this tray. So I just need to make sure it's dry, please.
Do you want me to put flour on it?
Yes, just kidogo flour. Yeah, that's perfect. This is like just making those rolls.
Like that?
Yeah. This should be done.
It's harder than it looks.
I know, right? That's what I'm saying. If it's not me, someone else to use this dough is quite hard. It will be tougher for them, you know, because they're not used to this texture. Don't worry, let me show you how it's done.
But I
You
feel like this
watch.
one's not too bad.
It's not too bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not too bad. Yeah, the thing is, you shouldn't open it completely.
Yeah,
Just
put it-
kidogo. Yeah, and then you have an idea. You guys do this in Germany?
This kind of dough
Yeah,
for only for sweet.
for sweet pastries. Okay. But normal circumstances, your dough is quite tougher than this
Our
dough.
our dough is a bit tighter, but it's not that soft.
Okay. So do you know how to make? What do you know? What can you make?
I make cinnamon rolls like this.
Oh, nice.
I'm not too that.
Professional.
I'm a good cook, I would say.
Okay.
But when it comes to dough and pastries, I still need to just practice.
So what food can you make? What good food can you make? What good German cuisine? Do Germans have a cuisine?
Yes, they do, but I don't like it.
What's the German staple?
Potatoes with some vegetables and a sauce aside.
Like a tomato sauce?
No, like
Just the sauce?
a white sauce out of flour and milk.
Oh yeah, like a bechamel.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, I get it. Oh, so that's the German staple.
Yeah, and a lot of meat. Like we have a lot of
Cured beef.
pork. A lot of pork.
Okay.
We eat. I don't like sausages, but a lot of sausages. I feel like mine aren't too bad.
Yeah, by the for this is your first time doing this?
Yes.
Yeah, it's not bad for a beginner. It's not bad.
How do I open this again?
Now that one.
I found it.
Yeah. So just need to do the same with this dough. Yeah, that's perfect. I think I'll cook it from here. This heat is much faster. Hello.
How's it going?
Everything's
Wow,
going great.
that was amazing.
It does?
I love it.
Thank you.
We have something similar in Turkey, actually.
In Turkey?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
What is it
And
called?
then we also fill them with like cheese or meat. And it's called gözleme.
Oh, okay.
And then with vegetables, like different vegetables.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
In India, I think they're called parathas.
Parathas. Uh-huh.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about.
Ah, nice.
Thank you.
Amazing. Can you also send us this footage so we can? Huh? English handy. Okay, perfect.